Hi, I'm Carla, and I'm going to give you a tour of my room.
This is room 5906 at the Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. Let's take a look. Entryway. There's a nice table to eat at. You have a queen-size bed, a large flat screen TV, lots of storage space. Over here you have your refrigerator, you have a coffee maker and an ice bucket. The one thing we really like about this room is that you have that table to eat on and put stuff in, but you also have this extra pull-down bed. Take a look at that. Hey Connor, can you move that chair out of the way? So this table actually turns into another queen-size bed. Pull the chair out. And then you have Huey, Dewey, and Louie on the back there. And you have an extra sleeping space. I'm gonna put it back. It's nice. And then we'll take a look at the bathroom. Updated everything. They really did a nice job with this remodel here. And that is it.